If y'all traded, y'all cleared a bunch of trades.
You can't fit
Yeah,
it
we
all
did.
in one screenshot.
Woo!
I can't fit it all in one screenshot neither.
Let's see if we get to that level. Man, I forgot I wouldn't even record. I got to record something today to put out. Boom, that's another clear. We're going to take every single one. So we know that's our zone right there. So let's get to that zone. Let's get to that zone. 3, 2. I'm taking that one as well. It has to get to that zone. Pull back. What's she going to do? Red candle. I seen it coming. I'm going to pause. Wants to sell off. Triangle. We can come a little bit lower. That's our new level. I want to break that level before I enter anything else. And then we got some other zones right here in this area. All right, here we'll go with that tighter one. I'll go with the wider one because we have both. So I'm just chilling right now. There's a zone right here. So I'm going to take that low zone that I had and just move it up. Boom. Sell, 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 sells. These are sells. Taking sells now. Boom. Go to the next level. Go ahead and close below. Yep. Yep. Every single one. Now I want to take it to that level right there. There's our cross. We're going to keep. Yep. Pull back. I'm taking this next. Nope. No, I'm not. Look, 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 look. Y'all see that? She still wants to go down, though. I'm going to enter here. Let me see if I can get that. She's crossing up. Let's see if I can get that. There we go. Boom. She still wants to go down. I missed that entry. She's going to break this level. Do you see how they tried to give us a level right here? That ain't a real level because it doesn't match with our last one. This right here is a short-term level because we still got this level back here. But this is recent, though. This is current, though. But we already had a level right here. We already had one. That's 2. 2 touches here, 2 touches reverse. Let's see what happens at that blue line. We got momentum going up. We know that's another level. Let's see what you're going to do. You broke. You broke. You going to close below? You closing above? What you going to do? I need to know. I need to see a close below or above a sell. Let's go. Let's see if you're going to drop. I didn't get across here. Boom. Clear. Let's go. Go to this next level. I know. I wanted that trade. Trying to talk to y'all and show y'all at the same time. Waiting for it to close below. Boom. Take that trade. Now we got a level here, so it rejected off that level, but we had our previous level too. So it is respecting the current level right now. All right, we're going back up. I could take a trade going to that next. It's super tight. I was going to say I could take a trade going to that level, but it went above. That was super tight. That's on me, y'all. Close above. Let's get to the next level. So now that we have a level here, but we still got our red line, that's a wall. That's a wall. And then we got more levels inside. Y'all, this is just showing y'all how to trade in the zones. In the zones, y'all. So as you're watching the chart, you're marking up everything and taking it off what it gives you. So after you get your entry, you get your signal, after the run is done, now you have your zones to see what you need to do to take those trades. And you can do this with the 10-minute strategy, the 2-minute strategy. You guys see we're doing it on the 5-second strategy. Ain't nobody trading like this but me, y'all. Period. So I'm waiting for a break. So that's the reversal. We're still above the blue. I'm not doing nothing. Boom. I'm gonna take that buy though. We're still above the blue. I don't want no sells. No sells. This is a pullback in the market. We need to break that level. There we go. I'm gonna take that. Going to that level right there. Now we know this is a heavy level. Oh, it smashed right through that level. Up, rejected, came back. Let's see if it breaks that structure. You already know what that is. Let's see if it breaks that level. This is major support. As you guys see, there's our reversal point right there. We're going back to the downside, man. Let's see if it closes above. If it do, I'm going to wait till it closes above that level right there before I do anything. And we just turned into a buy. Boom, let's go. Come on. I'll take another one. I don't need you to tell me good job. Boom. I'm taking another one. Come on. Okay, I'll lose this one. I'll take a lesson. It's okay. It's quite all right. Boom. Now we at this zone. But I'm not going to take any sells here because of that line. I need to see what you're going to do. Are you going to close below? I see you respected it right here. Shot up. See you try. Shot up. What you gonna do? Drop. Boom. I'll take one going to the next level. Let's go. Sure will. Well. Oh, that should have been a clear. That should have been a clear. All right, let's see what you do here. We know our next zone. So now we're just literally playing in all the zones right now. Could draw some lines right here. Look, respected that line, triangle. We're getting ready to get across. That's our signal. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Boom. Break. Go ahead. What you gonna do? Not doing nothing. Being patient. Being patient. Let the market tell you what it wants to do. Oh, you breaking? I'll take you at the close. Yep. Ah, super tight. Super tight. I don't like taking trades super tight like that. I don't. That should have been in clear too. That was a long 5 seconds. Like it hesitated on that last second. 3, 2, going to the next. Nope. Not doing nothing. Not doing nothing. Nope. Not doing nothing. Around the same area. A little lower, but the same area, guys. I'm going to draw that down here. Same area. Are y'all seeing this? Y'all real quiet over there. Y'all real quiet, man. Why y'all so quiet over me, man? Y'all be killing me, man. Y'all be killing me. Y'all be killing me.
Focus. We're learning.
Man, look, focus.
Yeah, I'm learning, man.
Focus, man. All right, so look, we closed the below. Close below. I'm waiting. I don't like taking these type of trades. That's why I didn't answer. I don't care how far it's going right now. I'm good. I'm good on waiting on that one. That's okay. Now I got my triangle. There we go. We broke. You're below. I took it because I closed below that yellow. That's the only reason I took that. Only reason. Took a lesson there. She's getting ready to cross up. About to do a counter trend trade here, possibly. Oh man, enter the trade. Counter trend trade right here. I'll take that one as well. See. Oh, you close below. Nope. It's close below. She's ready to run down. Come on. Oh, I came back and got it. Beautiful. What you gonna do right here? Another zone. We got a couple zones. I need to break that zone before I enter, before I do anything. Going to the upside. You're below that blue though. Glad I didn't take you. I'm not gonna take this because it's real tight to that area. I need more room. I don't have enough room to take that. Not for my liking. Go ahead and break. Close below. I will enter for a sell here. Didn't close below. Did not close below. There we go. Run it to the upside. 3, 2, 1. Get in there. That's another entry. There we go. Go up to the upside. Clear. That's another one. Taking it to that level right there. Going to that next level. See, thought we was trying to run a little bit. Thought you was trying to run a little bit. 3, you're in that zone. I'm not trading that. Telling me you want to reverse. I'm not going to take a sell to that level because you are above my blue. I'm okay with waiting till price close below that right there, my blue line. Three. Nope. I'm not going to take it. See, glad I didn't pull back. Didn't close below my blue line, guys. There's my next zone. Let's take that though. Come on. Oh, you tricked me. Fake out. I'm not going to trade in the middle right there. I'm not. All right. I think we slaughtered this pair enough. I really do. What y'all think? What y'all think from just learning? Let me stop this. What y'all think from just learning how to mark those levels up and taking those trades? What do y'all feel? How do y'all feel about that? Plumber, Lula, Jamil, I think everybody else went to sleep on that one. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lula, what you got? You real quiet over there. Oh, look, Yolanda came back from drinking Chardonnay, y'all. eating, got peanuts all on her mouth and everything, man. Yeah, we see it. We see it. But for real though, like when you're marking your, and this is with every single strategy you guys have, like you just get into the zone. Like y'all see how I was in the zone. Mark, like
Yeah.
I'm talking it out. You know what I'm saying? But like for real, like you're watching the market. So if you're doing the 10-second or the 2-minute to 2-minute, it's the exact same thing with the strategy, y'all. Catch me outside. Oh, Simone's still here. Simone, I thought you was gone, girl.
No, I'm here. So when you're trading, like, because I've heard people say, "Oh, don't overtrade."
Hold on one second. Let me stop recording this call, man. Let me let these people go. With that being said, for those of you that are tuning in, IG, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Twitch, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, Black Planet, MySpace, NBC, yeah, man. Anyway, man, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Today is Monday. We're definitely on a demo account, but I wanted to give the scholars a little bit something more in depth with trading. We were already going very long before I hit that record, but I apologize to you guys. But we will be back on a regular schedule tomorrow, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Bring your laptop, bring your pen, bring your pad, because we're going to be dropping some info. And tomorrow, we're going to continue to have the scholars call out the trades from what we just learned today, because they're going to practice, because it does nothing but make you a better trader. Now, for those of you who want to join this, you guys can just leave a comment below this video, like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know the business, but you don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, and you already know this. But I say this because if you don't find that I'm giving you value within the content that I'm displaying and sharing with you guys, just leave the channel. But if you like the content and you like what we're doing over here, you like the community, and you want to be a part of the community, go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell to turn on those notifications so you can tune in to when we're doing this. And then to also get more in depth to what we're doing, join my free Telegram, where I post over there when we're going live, and we do other things in there as well. And if you would like to go ahead and get a strategy that's on my website, go to www.kobksalute.com, brought to you by Tim, who's wearing the Kansas City Chiefs hat today. But anyway, it's your boy. We up out of here. Let's go.